Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful drink for you today. Listen, you guys, this is the summer. Summer's here, and I'm sure a lot of you who have already lost some of this weight, you're trying to keep it balanced, okay? You want to maintain what you've lost so far. So I'm going to help you along. I have this wonderful cranberry detox drink. Now, I did some research on here, so no, it is not my original recipe, but I have used it before, and it works wonderful, okay? Now, if you're looking to lose weight, any apple cider detox drink for weight loss will definitely do the trick. These detox drinks helps you to shed the fat faster. They also help you to maintain or develop a flat belly in a short time. Now, on this detox drink, just like the rest of them with apple cider vinegar included, you can lose 10 pounds or more in 10 days. Okay? So without further ado, I want to show you this wonderful cranberry detox drink is going to help you to lose 10 pounds or more of that fat in your body in 10 days. And this cranberry detox drink is specifically for weight loss or to maintain having a flat belly. All right, let's get into the demonstration now. Okay, you guys, so we are back for the demonstration part of the video. This is my amazing cranberry drink, cranberry detox drink. This is going to help you to lose 10 pounds in 10 days. Okay, I'm going to give you the instructions on this. What you're going to need is some lime juice or a real lime. Okay, you're going to also need some apple cider vinegar with the mother. Today, instead of the Bragg's, I am using my Heinz organic apple cider vinegar, and right there. Okay, with the mother. Alright, so if some of you think that it's all about the Bragg's, no, it's not. You can use any apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. My preference is the Bragg's because it does taste better, and it seems to me like it has more natural ingredients in it. You're also going to need some filtered water, and you're also going to need 100% cranberry juice. Okay, now we're going to start off with our apple cider vinegar. And always, before using your apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, just make sure you shake it up thoroughly so that this way you get all of stuff, you get everything mixed up together. Okay, everything is mixed well. All right, so we're going to start off with 1 tablespoon of our apple cider vinegar. We're also going to need 3/4 cups of water. Okay. All right, 3/4 cup of water. And you can do this cold. You can, put all of your stuff in the refrigerator if you choose to have it cold. If not, you can throw some ice in there. Whatever you want to do is fine. Okay, next we're going to put in a 1/2 cup of our cranberry juice. Okay, and we're going to do a 1/2 cup. Okay, 1/2 cup. And this is going to make a nice, refreshing summer drink. All right. Lastly, we're going to put in our lime juice. Now, you can either put in, maybe juice a 1/2 lime, because this is just a splash. And we're just going to do that. If you want more of a lime taste, you can put in maybe 2 splashes. Okay. And that's it. What's so amazing about this drink is if you're using it for weight loss, it is going to make you lose at least 10 pounds or more of belly fat, weight fat, in your body fat, because what's so special about this drink is it has apple cider vinegar in it, okay? And apple cider vinegar helps to detox your body. It helps you to lose that weight. It's going to clean out your colon and cleanse it really good, as well as give you a flat belly, okay? That's why we are here today. And there you have it, you guys, a delicious, refreshing drink, okay? And the cranberry juice actually helps the taste. Now, if you really want to make this drink a little bit stronger, put in 2 tablespoons of your apple cider vinegar. All right, this way you're going to boost that a lot more. So enjoy your wonderful cranberry detox drink, and you're going to drink this like 3 times a day before your meals. Enjoy your wonderful refreshing detox drink. Okay, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn that notification on for this channel, and also that bell, because if it's not lit, you will not know when I'm uploading another video. Okay, and until your next video, I will see you then. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.